Happy Transformation Tuesday. I hope you guys are doing good. Just wanted to put this quick video out. Things have been changing. Last week I was down 17 pounds, which was absolutely amazing. Been fluctuating a bit, so not too bad. But I wanted to do this video today on a smoothie that I make. So to show you guys kind of how I sometimes start my day, or I mostly start my day with a smoothie, which is delicious. So, okay, I'm just going to let you see what I do. And remember to subscribe if you like what you see, and get that bell notification rung so you can get the updates. Okay, and tomorrow I will be doing a bit on some of the products, and I can't remember which one right now. All right, so check back. All right, bye.